This is surely complete. Defending champion comes back and wins again in supreme style.
Welcome back to TXT Track Time. The indoor track and field season continues to heat up, and a number of Jamaicans featured big at Saturday's Clemson University's Orange and Purple Elite Indoor Meets. Leading the charge was 2015 world champion Danielle Williams, who continued to bolster her background training by competing in the 300 meters, winning in a time of 38.57 seconds. Also featuring on yesterday's schedule were former national junior representatives Therese Roden and Danielle Cope, who secured first-time college wins. Roden, the former Kingston College runner who transferred from Division II Oklahoma Baptist, won the men's 600 meters in a time of 1 minute, 17.81 seconds to establish a college best in the event. Cope, who transferred from Barton County Junior College and competed unattached, won the men's wade throw with an impressive 19.33 meters mark that would have catapulted him into the top 5 of all time at Clemson. Roger Stoner and Zeke Campbell were first and second respectively in the men's shot put. Stoner won with 18.31 meters, while Campbell had his best mark of 17.67 meters. Also competing yesterday was LaFrance Campbell, who won the men's 60 meters hurdles, running 7.85 seconds to beat former St. Elizabeth technical runner Dashnell Dyer, who clocked 8.01 seconds in his first race for Clemson after transferring from Iowa Western College. Marie Forbes was second in the women's wade throw with 18.91 meters, while Danielle Slowly was also runner-up in the women's shot put with 14.52 meters. TXT Track Time family, we also got to see national representative Janine Williams competing unattached, winning the 60-meter hurdles in a time of 8.24 seconds. Now, this wraps up Jamaica's efforts in yesterday's indoor college meet. We're looking forward to more exciting competition as the season gets deeper, and we're looking for some of our elite athletes to roll out soon. So stick and stay with us as we continue to bring you coverage of the 2022 track and field season. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I'm Tam. We'll catch you in another one.